Really, I've been working on cars ever since I was a kid. My dad, growing up on the Eastern Shore, there's not a whole lot of mechanics. Like, you learn to do stuff yourself growing up, and, I always knew how to do basic maintenance, and one day I just kind of decided, this is kind of what I want to do with my life. I enjoy it, and I'm glad I did. Honestly, I just decided I wanted to go back to school, and I started looking into places online, and I talked to a couple different schools, and Lincoln was the one that sounded the best, and also within my range to be able to go to. Everything just worked out for the best. I mean, I got in there and I learned so much. I thought I knew a little bit, turned out I knew next to nothing, and I left there with so much more knowledge in my head. I just loved everything about it. I was so entranced with the program from start to finish. I couldn't get enough of it. I got to definitely give a special shout out to Mr. Fuller, because him and I had a very special, it seemed like from day one we had a special bond of some sort, and I don't think I would have done as well as I did without his guidance. I actually got the job I wanted about 3 months ago, working for Mercedes-Benz, top of the line, baby. That's the way to go, and that's why I pushed so hard. I got myself my 4.0, my perfect attendance, and it was, if you want to be with the best, you got to be the best, and that's what Lincoln Tech gave me. Yeah, my parents are coming, both my mom, dad, and step-parents from both sides, so they're super excited. I couldn't be more excited. Obviously, as you can tell, I'm 30, so it took me a little while to get my life together, but here I am.